Hello everyone! Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your outdoor spaces into breathtaking havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're diving into a style that's all about comfort, charm, and a connection to nature. Farmhouse garden design. If you've ever dreamt of an outdoor space that feels both elegant and effortlessly relaxed, then you're in the right place. We're going to explore what makes this style so appealing, its amazing benefits, how to decorate your own slice of rustic paradise, and the best plants to bring your vision to life. Plus, stick around until the end for our top 10 best farmhouse garden design ideas, complete with stunning visuals. So, what exactly is farmhouse-style garden design? At its heart, it's about creating a welcoming, unpretentious, and often practical outdoor space that evokes the feeling of a traditional rural homestead. Think of it as an extension of the comforting, lived-in aesthetic found inside a farmhouse. It embraces natural materials like wood, stone, and iron, and often incorporates elements that suggest utility and hard work, even if they're purely decorative today. It's a blend of organized beauty and a touch of wild, untamed nature, leaning into a nostalgic sense of simplicity and abundance. This style values function and comfort, creating spaces where you want to linger, grow your own food, and gather with loved ones. It's not about rigid formality, but rather a relaxed elegance that feels authentic and inviting. Now, why should you consider a farmhouse-style garden? The benefits are abundant. Firstly, it cultivates a deep connection to nature and a slower pace of life, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern living. Imagine stepping out into your garden, surrounded by the gentle hum of bees and the scent of fresh herbs. It's incredibly therapeutic. Secondly, farmhouse gardens are often incredibly practical. They frequently incorporate elements like vegetable patches, herb gardens, and fruit trees, allowing you to grow your own produce and enjoy fresh, homegrown food. This self-sufficiency aspect is incredibly rewarding. Thirdly, this style is remarkably resilient and adaptable. It celebrates imperfection and the natural aging of materials, meaning your garden will continue to develop character over time, rather than requiring constant, pristine upkeep. Finally, farmhouse gardens are inherently charming and inviting. They create a warm and welcoming atmosphere that encourages outdoor living, entertaining, and simply enjoying the beauty of your surroundings. It's a style that truly makes a house feel like a home. Now for the fun part. How do you decorate your farmhouse-style garden to look absolutely beautiful? It all starts with embracing a few key principles. First, incorporate natural and reclaimed materials. Think old wooden barrels as planters, stone pathways, wrought iron gates, and rustic benches. Distressed finishes and weathered textures add character and authenticity. Second, focus on comfort and functionality. Create inviting seating areas with comfortable cushions, perhaps a fire pit for evening gatherings, or a shaded pergola for afternoon relaxation. The goal is to make your garden a place you want to spend time in. Third, don't shy away from vintage or antique elements. An old farm implement, a galvanized bucket, or a milk can instantly add a touch of rustic charm. Consider using repurposed items creatively. An old wooden ladder for displaying potted plants, for example. Fourth, emphasize layered plantings with a mix of textures and heights. Think flowering shrubs, perennial borders, and climbing vines to create a lush, abundant feel. Finally, introduce classic farmhouse colors, whites, creams, muted greens, and soft blues, to create a cohesive and calming palette. Don't forget charming details like string lights, wind chimes, and birdhouses to complete the inviting ambience. Alright, now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's dive into our top 10 best farmhouse-style garden design ideas. One rustic thatched roof farmhouse with abundant gardens. This picturesque scene captures the essence of a traditional idyllic farmhouse with its distinctive thatched roofs and charming rustic architecture. The vibrant cottage garden in the foreground bursts with an abundance of colorful flowers, creating a natural and slightly wild beauty that perfectly complements the historical buildings. The lush surrounding trees add to the sense of a secluded, natural retreat, embodying a truly authentic and charming old-world farmhouse garden. 2. Formal farmhouse garden with elegant symmetry. This elegant farmhouse garden combines the relaxed feel of farmhouse living with a touch of formal symmetry. The grand entrance to the cream-colored house is flanked by perfectly trimmed boxwood hedges and stately urns, creating a classic and refined look. A neatly mown lawn stretches out, providing an open space, while a pergola adorned with climbing vines adds a charming architectural element. This garden demonstrates how farmhouse style can be elevated with thoughtful design and structured plantings. 3. Charming front yard farmhouse welcome. This inviting front yard showcases a charming farmhouse aesthetic with its white brick and dark wooden accents. The custom-designed black X-pattern gate and fencing instantly evoke a rustic, country feel. The pathway, lined with low-maintenance plantings and mature trees in the background, leads directly to a welcoming double-door entry. The careful balance of formal symmetry with naturalistic plantings creates a warm and approachable curb appeal. 4. Secret garden farmhouse nook with arbor. This enchanting garden area feels like a secret hideaway, featuring a classic brick wall adorned with a round window and a charming wooden bench at its center, creating a focal point. The path leading up to it is flanked by vibrant flower borders filled with a diverse array of colorful blooms and lush greenery, adding depth and texture. Overhead, a beautiful arbor with train trees provides a sense of enclosure and shade, making it a perfect spot for quiet contemplation in a serene farmhouse setting. 5. The quintessential cottage farmhouse garden. This picturesque white farmhouse, with its classic gabled roof and welcoming front porch, is enveloped by an explosion of vibrant garden beds. The lush and varied plantings, including a mix of perennials, shrubs, and ornamental grasses, create a soft, cottage-like feel. The small, inviting porch with comfortable seating, along with the bursts of color from the flowers, perfectly embodies a relaxed and charming farmhouse garden aesthetic that feels both curated and natural. 6. The Grand Modern Farmhouse Retreat. This expansive farmhouse exemplifies modern elegance combined with classic farmhouse lines. The striking white board and batten siding and dark-trimmed windows create a crisp, clean aesthetic. The generous patio area with comfortable outdoor seating and a fire pit is seamlessly connected to the interior through large glass doors, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. The manicured lawn provides a lush, open space, while the strategically placed lighting highlights the architectural details and creates a warm glow in the evening, making it an ideal setting for gatherings. 7. Expansive farmhouse driveway and garage with rustic charm. This grand estate features a large, well-defined gravel driveway framed by neatly manicured lawns and mature trees. The classic white farmhouse-style garage, with its 3 wooden doors, perfectly complements the main residence, not fully visible. The simple yet elegant landscaping, including structured low hedges and a large circular planting bed, creates a welcoming and organized approach to the home, hinting at the expansive and carefully planned outdoor spaces within this farmhouse property. 8. Classic English farmhouse countryside garden. This beautiful garden, set against the backdrop of a traditional brick farmhouse with timber framing, exudes a timeless countryside charm. The well-maintained lawn is bordered by structured boxwood hedges and various shrubs, creating a sense of order and classic design. Stone pathways wind through the garden, inviting exploration, while terracotta pots add rustic accents. The overall impression is one of a mature, elegant garden that harmonizes perfectly with the historic architecture of the home. 9. Elegant farmhouse with stone accents and grand entrance. This stunning farmhouse blends traditional white siding with elegant stone foundations and retaining walls, creating a sophisticated yet grounded look. The grand entrance features a long driveway leading to a striking facade with large windows that invite abundant natural light. The meticulously designed landscaping includes well-placed trees and shrubs, illuminated by subtle uplighting that highlights the architectural features and creates a dramatic effect as dusk settles, offering a truly impressive arrival. 10. Intimate patio farmhouse oasis. This charming backyard retreat features a multi-level patio constructed from natural stone pavers, creating distinct zones for dining and lounging. Surrounded by lush greenery and mature trees that provide ample shade, the space feels private and serene. Stone steps lead to different areas, adding visual interest and functionality. The comfortable outdoor furniture, including a dining set and a cozy seating arrangement, makes this an ideal spot for enjoying meals outdoors or simply relaxing amidst the beauty of nature, embodying a cozy farmhouse outdoor living space. And there you have it, 10 incredible examples of farmhouse-style garden design. We hope this video has inspired you to bring that welcoming rustic charm to your own outdoor space. Remember, it's all about creating a garden that feels like a natural extension of your home, a place of comfort, beauty, and connection to the land. What's your favorite farmhouse garden element? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video and want more garden design inspiration, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!